Good morning and happy Sunday, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything, getting ready to go to church. But I'm going to show you how to make another Southern delicacy. So the key ingredients, guys, to this Southern favorite this time of year, as your tomatoes are ripening on the vine and they are beautiful, many people can't wait to make their first tomato sandwich. So I've sliced up some of our black creme and a Della Rosa. It's very important that you use some nice soft white bread. And here in the South, Duke's mayonnaise is one of the favorite things to use. You can use any mayonnaise, you can use Miracle Whip, and you can even add a little bit of salt and pepper on yours. I got me a heaping load of Duke's mayonnaise on there. And now I'm going to put my sliced tomatoes on here. Oh my goodness. Now, some people add a little bit of Idalia onion. You can add cheese. You can add lettuce. You can do anything you want. But the Southern favorite is just tomatoes, mayonnaise, and white bread. You can also toast your bread, but it's much better, guys, if you use your soft white bread. And there you have it. Doesn't that look delicious? So I'm going to dig into my tomato sandwich. This is going to be my breakfast this morning. We got a lot of work to do. Take care. God bless. We'll see you guys soon. It's burning up here in Texas. Expecting 106 today. Stay cool. Love you all.